food because I know his preferences for food, and then he said yes. Well, that's my only complaint is that I really miss Filipino food.
May specific ba?
Kuan man gud na sa Bisaya ba kana
Bulang lang.
Paksiw. Magday.
Oo. Na inununan, yeah. Dili na paksiw, inununan.
Bibi,
Oo.
Bibi,
Inununan.
i-comment po doon sa plano ng mga otoridad na i-raid po yung tahanan ng mga Duterte sa Davao City. Ito ba ay makonsider sa part sa para papagsagin ng mga Duterte family?
Yes, I heard about that. The search warrant applied for all the houses, all our houses, all the members of the family, and I mentioned to my siblings that you don't have control over this anymore. So I just told them that just secure your valuables, and then just allow them to do the search. And then we expect that there will be planted evidence inside the houses. So I told them that you'll just have it because former Congressman Arnie Teves, it's exactly the same template. So I told them that it's pointless. It's pointless to fight. So just allow it to happen. It doesn't. But then I told them that no one should be hurt. No one should resist. Just allow them to do whatever that is illegal.
Ma'am, ini-comment po doon sa sinabi ni PCO Yusek Castro na walang kidnapping na nangyari sa lahat po ay may papeles tungkol po sa pag-aresto.
Well, it was really kidnapping. You see the comments all around the world from experts.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Hi, Chelo. Hi, Toya. Hi, Lenny.
Yes. But if you talk to lawyers, they call it extraordinary rendition. But for a family member like me, that's kidnapping. That's forcibly taking my father to another country and illegally arresting him. So that's